everybody doing on this Wednesday? Make sure to take a nap, disco nap perhaps, just a short little nap tonight so that you can make it to my sale tonight. It will start at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time and it'll be on my channel. And of course, I will have my partner with me, Gina, aka Vintage Digs. I realized when I was putting items together for the sale that I have a theme. Can you see what the theme is? It's not easy being green, right? I don't know. This just organically happened. All of a sudden I had a bunch of green items, so I kind of just went with it. I'm going to just briefly go over some of these items with you. I do have this little golden book, We Help Daddy, and I thought it was really cute because, you know, they're cutting the grass with Daddy and it's summertime. I have one of these big, one of the flatter, larger glass flower frogs in excellent condition. This is one of the items that is not green, but I think it's appropriate for this time of year. I do believe this is USA pottery, and it is a really cool planter. I love it. It looks like maybe cherry blossoms. At least I think that's what it's supposed to be. Anyway, I love this planter. I think it's beautiful. For the kids people out there, I am going to be offering the boot with the red pixie in it today. I didn't get a chance to offer it in our sale last week, so here he is. He's making his debut tonight. I have this elephant planter that I have shown before, but I wanted to show him again because he's green and he's freaking adorable. I have this green paper bag and Fleming book, two James Bond books to be exact, but I picked it because it was green, and I thought it was cool that I found those two together last weekend. I think it was last weekend. I have this beautiful piece of green and blue art glass. To me, it looks very ocean-like, like a wave, or it's even kind of reminiscent of a hurricane to me. I just think this is really pretty, and I've been waiting to show you guys. I thought the green sale would be the perfect time. I do have this piece of Uranian glass. It is a leaf shape, and it does light up. I have this really cool console dish. Now, it's not a complete set, but this is like a pea in a pod, and I just thought it would be cool for using as a planter or in some sort of display for summer. You know, since it's not a complete set, I will be doing a reduced price on it. It's really cool though. I mean, it's also very heavy. It's very high quality. And it is marked here on the back. But I went ahead and got it last weekend because I thought it was perfect for summer, and I thought you guys might enjoy that. I also have this beautiful Anarco planter or dish. It could be either or, I do think. I think it's probably a planter though. To me, it looks like a lotus. It is marked Anarco here on the back. Sunglow Ceramics Anarco Japan. It is a beautiful mid-century piece in very good shape. I also have this funny girl sheet music. It's a song People by Barbara Streisand. Look at the graphic. I love this. Love, love, love it. I do have these two Fenton candlesticks. Now, they do have a very faint glow to them, so that's cool. They're hand painted, as I said, and they're just really pretty. Again, perfect for summer. Behind them, I have two cute ceramic frogs. One of them has these wonky eyes, and he's a Texas frog. What do y'all think? The other is a little Talavera frog from Mexico. Just two cute little frogs that are green. I have this really pretty and gorgeous Southern Belle, and she is obviously wearing green. She, believe it or not, is a craft piece done by Louise. They did a perfect job. I mean, it looks professional to me. I love her, and I hope you guys like her too. She's even got her umbrella. Back here, I have a stained glass trinket box, and as you can see, it has some green in it, and it's got two birds. I have this really cool Made in India trinket box as well. This is a peacock. This reminds me of summer too, so that's why it's in the sale. I have another piece of sheet music, and this one is If I Could Tell You. I put it in the sale just because of the graphics. Isn't that awesome, guys? Love it. Then I have these two salt and pepper shakers. They have been in a sale before, but I'm going to offer them at a reduced price tonight because I think they're too cute, and I don't want to put them on eBay if anyone is interested in them because they're so cute. I do have some brooches. Some of these I realized I didn't get to last night, so I will be showing them today. One of them is this hummingbird. Then there's also this hand-painted brooch with the flower. Brooch with flowers on it. I have another silver tone flower heart brooch, which is beautiful. I have this really pretty dove, who is mother of pearl. This is a Sarah Coventry set. It's very pretty. It's another item I forgot to show last night. I have showed this brooch before, and I'm going to offer it at reduced price tonight. I think it's perfect for summer, which is why. And I think somebody out there will like it. It is hand painted. I think it's really cool. And then the last thing I'm showing you are these cockers. They're green and they're adorable, so they wanted to come out tonight. So they'll be up for grabs as well. Okay, guys, like I said, go ahead and take a power nap. Drink some coffee, go to Starbucks, do whatever you need to do to be awake tonight. Gina and I are going to have another fast-paced and fun live sale, again at 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, 9:30 Central, 7:30 Pacific. Oh my gosh, I had to think about that, which is ridiculous. I have a great friend in Oregon. I should know that off the top of my head. Okay. I hope everyone is having a good Wednesday. Happy hump day. Hope to see you all tonight. Thanks for watching. Bye.